this is Mrinalini again. Welcome back to my channel Bloom with Life Coach Mrinalini.com. And today I would like to speak about the resistance. Very important topic. You know how many different types of resistance we have that stops us that stops us to move forward in our life. There are 15 types of resistance. So tune with me. I will tell you all the different types of resistances in my upcoming videos. So let me cover the 3 of them today. So the number one, the biggest resistance that we all of us have in our life is about doubt and fear. First of all, do we know what is resistance? Resistance is the biggest enemy which is inside us. It always stops us to move forward. And the number one, as I said, it's doubt and fear. All of us have this issue in our life. Whenever we want to do something, this definitely comes up and stops us. So what should we do? How should we, what action should we take against it? So to deal with the doubt and fear, what we have to do is, number one, definitely do the things which you want, which you have doubt for. And and they never think about the outcome. The reason is, either you will come out of it with a learning or you will win it. So that's the action you should take against when you are in doubt and fear. I'll cover number 2 today. So number 2 is about procrastination. Procrastination means you always want to delay the things. Not today, tomorrow, not today, tomorrow, not tomorrow, day after tomorrow, not tomorrow, after this will happen, and all that. Procrastination is a disease, friends. Please come out of it. Whatever you want to do, have a proper action plan, write it in your diaries and go for it. Just do it. Number 3 is about perfectionism. Perfectionism is also a disease. So in order to avoid it, we should not be perfectionist. It's a disease. So just go for it, take actions and you will achieve it. All right, I'll talk about more of resistance. Bye-bye. Thanks.